Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Enid and today we are at a park, so I'm back with my vlog number 5. So it was a nice day today. It was raining since last night. So it's not too sunny, not too rainy day also. It's alright, it's okay. So we happen to think like why don't we go out in the park? And so I'll get to show you all also the park that is close by to us. So luckily there's no one in the park today due to the rain. So we were lucky enough to come in today. Usually there is a lot of children over here, so we hardly come due to the virus. And there you can see far, that's my husband and my son. And the noise that you all can hear is they are come to trim the trees. So sorry for the disturbance guys. It looks like it will rain after some time. Hopefully it should not. It should not spoil my vlog of course. So as you can see over here, this is a mini park over here with just one slide and a swing. This is for children below 3. So you can see this. So let's enter the park. Now due to the rains, as it rained from yesterday night, it was raining. So you can see the park is little bit messy. I guess they are doing the cleaning now, not yet clean. So it's a bit dirty. Usually it does not be so dirty. Hey, it is a bit slippery, yeah? Be careful. So this is the name of the park. Welcome to the Meadows, I suppose it is. This play area is owned and managed by Places for People. Children must be supervised, so you all can read what it's given as. So let me show you all everything that's there in this park, so you guys can get your kids and come over here and enjoy it. So you can see this. So you can see this slide. It's for I guess children like below 5 to 7 years maybe, because it's a small slide. They have made a nice ladder here to climb up. They can go up this side also and this way also. There also they have a small ladder. Go.
Dada catch.
Dada catch. You want Dada's help? So it's like a designed like a house for the kids to get excited and go up. So you can see this is like a small bike where small children can sit and enjoy themselves. This is a huge thing for kids to play. So this is a wonderful place to be with your kids, friends. But unfortunately today there are no much children over here as it rained, so it's all wet. But still I'm lucky that I could at least show you all the play things that are available over here to play. So you guys can come over here if anyone is staying close by here, and you can get your kids over here and enjoy with them as well. Today Ashwad is all alone as he has no friends over here to play with. Nobody's come today over here as the day is quite dull today. But I'm pretty much sure you all will enjoy watching it and enjoy watching the greenery out here. So you all can see so lovely greenery, friends. Here the trees look so wonderful. That's all for today, guys. I hope you all loved watching the vlog. Little bit of this park, not much I know, but I'm gonna catch you guys next time again when some more children are over here. We are going to come back over here and I'm going to catch you guys next time. Till then, stay well and stay healthy. Bye bye.